All right, y'all, check this out. I'm with Brad from the shed.
Yeah, baby.
We're getting ready to show you the coolest smoker you've ever seen in your life, and there's 2 whole hogs in here. Check this out.
Grab hold of that.
Check this out, y'all.
Hold up, hold up. You good? You good? See, we got it wrapped up. See what kind of golden goodness we got.
Wow.
All right, all right, all right. Go easy. Hold on. We're just gonna take a peek. Easy, easy.
Look at that.
Bro, are you kidding me right now?
Oh, yeah. Is it a boy or a girl?
Look at, watch this. See this right here? Can you see it? See the water? Yeah, that's not water, that's juice.
Hey, Brad, is it a boy or a girl?
What's that?
Is it a boy or a girl?
We're not sure. But I'll tell you what, look, once you get a little bit of, look how that color. Oh. Oh. And there's 2.
And there's 2.
So it's a boy and a girl.
It's a boy and a girl.
We gotta close this thing down, y'all. Dano, you gotta help though.
I don't know what I'm doing.
So you get the top up here, then down here, this little tab, pull that door forward a little bit at you. Now, bam. This thing's gonna sit here for, you know, pretty much all night long.
Boom. Oh, yeah. That just happened.